What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be putting on a Flowmaster Flow FX muffler onto the big black 1992 GMC Sierra. It's a 454, as you guys probably watched from the previous video. Now, I usually go with 40 series on my cars. I'm a fan of Flowmaster. I know they get a bad rap, but I decided to try out the FX because I'm hoping for more of a daily driver kind of muffler. The 40 series can be pretty loud, especially without cats. I don't know if you could see in there, but it kind of just has a straight shot with a little sweep over, depending on the offset of the muffler you get with fiberglass packing. So it's very similar to a MagnaFlow muffler. It's just Flowmaster's kind of rendition of it. We're also going to be deleting the cat, so we're going to see, a Flowmaster 40 series without the cat is decently loud, so hopefully this is a little more muffled, a little less drony and annoying when you're driving, but still want to have a little bit of a rumble. So let's see, let's get to it. So this is how it is stock from the factory. Pretty much got a frying pan, a big round muffler. So we're gonna be cutting this off. The reason why I'm really doing it so early is because one, when I started this thing, it was full of a squirrel's nest that just blew out the exhaust once it finally fired over. And two, it is all cracked up. I don't know if you could see on the camera, but there's some cracks, there's some exhaust leaks from it. So might as well get it off, make it sound good. A little more motivation to finish this project. All right, it's out. It's pretty heavy. I didn't expect that to be that heavy. Got some weight. Can't really see too much inside of it. More acorns and such fell out though, so I'm pretty confident in this. But for now, we're gonna do an open header, or open exhaust start. Not open header. All right, so this is what we're working with so far. It's kind of dark over there, one sec. Got the muffler down here. New pipe to replace the cat. We're gonna cut it right at my mark there. I don't know if you can see the Sharpie. One of the shittiest things about doing exhausts that are still in the car is not much clearance up here, so not only is it hard to weld, it's also hard to sand and clean up. So you get yourself some emery cloth like this. Take your time, sand it like that. Probably the most efficient way to do it. I already hit the bottom side with the die grinder. I'm going to clean up this front face and we should be good to start welding back onto the car. So here we have it. It's all welded in. A little tricky to get up in there, the cross member in the way, and then the floor pan above it, but it's a solid weld all the way around. Down there is good too. I only put one hanger back on because I tucked it up a little higher than the original one was, so that other hanger was way too long and really cutting it. And this thing weighs maybe 4 pounds compared to the 60 pounds that one weighs, so I think one hanger will be more than fine. But yeah, let's see how she starts, see how she sounds. So it's right around where I imagined it in terms of volume. It would be nice when you're daily driving it and it's not blaringly obnoxious. Neighbors won't hate me for it, and it sounds pretty good when you rev it, so that's all I really care about.